Hi everyone, welcome to Varam Nutra. Today on the menu we have a very healthy lunch. Mochai, that is field beans kara korambu and keera poriyal. For this, take a pot or kadai, add 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil, add vadagam. If you don't have vadagam, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and little fenugreek. Let it splutter. Add finely chopped baby onions and curry leaves into it. If you have baby onions, it's fine. If you don't have, you can add big onions also. But baby onions usually taste best for this particular korambu. Saute till the onions turn translucent. Add 2 big sliced tomatoes into it. Allow the tomatoes to turn soft. Soak a lemon-sized tamarind in hot water. Add a cup of the tamarind extract into it. Add chili powder 1.5 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon and turmeric powder little. Allow to boil for about 5 minutes till the raw smell disappears. Now add cooked mochai or field beans into it. I have soaked the mochai for about 8 hours and pressure cooked it with very little salt. I have used black mochai here. You can use either black mochai or white mochai also. Mix everything and allow to boil. This mochai or this field beans are very high in protein. Add required salt. It becomes the responsibility of the house lady to take care of the health of the family members. Always we should ensure that we cook a balanced meal with protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals. This particular kara korambu will taste so well with rice. You can use it with idli and dosa also. Now it's been boiling for about 5 to 6 minutes. Add little asafoetida or hinge. Add a half a teaspoon of jaggery into it. This will enhance the taste. Now let it boil for about 5 minutes. Your high protein mochai kara korambu or field beans kara korambu is ready. Since kara korambu is a spicy and tangy gravy, I decided to make keera poriyal or green stir fry, which makes a perfect combination. Take a kadai, add a teaspoon of oil, mustard seeds, urud dal and chana dal. Let the dals turn golden brown. Once done, add 2 to 3 red chilies. Add finely chopped onion, quarter cup, salt everything well. Now add finely chopped greens into it. I have taken arakkire, which is high in iron. It's very easy to make side dish. Add little salt. Usually I don't add water. The water from the greens itself will drain out and it will be enough for the cooking, so I don't add water, but if required just sprinkle very little water above it. Close with the lid and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. In between, if you want, you can give a stir. After 10 minutes, if you open, you would have seen all the water evaporated and the greens fully cooked. Add a cup of grated coconut into it and give a stir. Now your keera poriyal is also ready. I cooked Kerala red rice today. So with Kerala red rice, this kara korambu and this keera, it goes very well. Now it's time to plate everything. Our kara korambu, keera poriyal, buttermilk, gooseberry pickles and puppet with Kerala red rice is here for lunch. Enjoy the lunch and stay safe and stay happy.